Well, welcome back. And in this story titled Maha Buddhiman, Buddhiman means one who has buddhi. Buddhi in general we call it as intelligence. Maha means great. Maha Buddhiman, great intelligent. A person who is a great intelligent. Okay. शङ्करस्य वेङ्कटस्य च विश्वासः आसीत् यत् परस्परम् अहमेव बुद्धिमान् इति. शङ्करस्य of Shankar, Venkatesya of Venkata cha and. So of Shankara and Venkata Vishwasaha asit, belief was there, yet that Parasparam ahameva buddhiman iti. Parasparam, amongst them, ahameva buddhiman, I am only intelligent. Like that, both had that feeling. एतत् विषये तयोः मध्ये प्रतिदिनं विवादः प्रचलति स्म. एतद् विषये कस्मिन् विषये अहमेव महाबुद्धिमान् एतद् विषये in that matter तयोः मध्ये कयोः मध्ये शङ्करवेङ्कटयोः मध्ये प्रतिदिनं दिनं दिनं प्रति प्रतिदिनं every day विवादः प्रचलति स्म. विवादः, some argument प्रचलति. So it goes on every day. The argument goes on between them regarding who is intelligent. मार्गे कश्चन विमलदासः कदाचित् एतयोः कलहं दृष्ट्वा उक्तवान्. मार्गे en route, मार्गे means on the way. कश्चन I read. मार्गे गच्छन् विमलदासः. गच्छन् शत्रु प्रत्यान्तः. शत्रु means शत्रु प्रत्यान्तः, शत्रु शानच्च. Both means continuously. मार्गे गच्छन्, while going in on the road, विमलदासः नाम कश्चित्, somebody in the name of विमलदासः कदाचित् once एतयोः कयोः शङ्करवेङ्कटयोः कलहं दृष्ट्वा seeing the quarrel उक्तवान् told अहं भवन्तौ एकं प्रश्नं पृच्छामि. अहं I भवन्तौ to you too एकं प्रश्नं पृच्छामि. One question I ask. यः उत्तरं ददाति सः बुद्धिमान् इति. He who gives Yaha, he who gives dadati, kim uttaram, answer, saha, that person, buddhima, is intelligent. Yadi ubhau api uttaradane asamarthau, if ubhau means both of you, uttaradane, in giving the answer, asamarthau, you are not capable or intelligent enough to give answer, तर्हि then मम एव बुद्धिमत्ता भवद्भ्याम अंगीकरणीया इति. So I ask a question to you, and if both of you are not able to give answer, then tarhi mama eva buddhimatta, my only intelligence bhavatbhyam, by both of you, angikaraniya, is to be accepted. So this paragraph, so many words in so many vibhakti are there. Marge saptami ekavachanam, gachan shatru pratyaya prathama vibhakti ekavachanam, vimaladasaha prathama vibhakti kaha vimaladasaha, gachan vimaladasaha, kim kuruvan vimaladasaha. Like that, if you ask gachan vimaladasaha, like that you will get answer. कदाचित् चित्त जन प्रत्ययः once एतयोः is षष्ठी द्विवचनं कलहं दृष्ट्वा कं दृष्ट्वा कलहं दृष्ट्वा दृष्ट्वा इक्त्वा प्रत्यय कृदन्तः always before the iktva or lyap, whatever word comes that will be in dutiya vibhakti. उक्तवान् इक्तवतु शब्दः कृतन्तः अहम् अस्मत् शब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं भवन्तौ भवान् भवन्तौ भवन्तः भवत् शब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति द्विवचनं एकं प्रश्नं पृच्छामि किं पृच्छामि प्रश्नं पृच्छामि पुनः किं पृच्छामि एकं प्रश्नं पृच्छामि वन क्वेश्चन आई आस्क बोथ आर इन प्रश्नः इज अकारान्त पुल्लिंग शब्दः एकं प्रश्नं पृच्छामि सो दिस इज द कर्म पृच्छ मीन्स दिस क्रिया तस्य कर्म एकं प्रश्नं सो दैट इज इन द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचन यः यद् शब्दः सः यः सः यः उत्तरं ददाति ही हू गिव्स आंसर किं ददाति उत्तरं ददाति सः बुद्धिमान् बुद्धिमान् इस मत् प्रत्यय शब्दः दिस इज बुद्धि अस्मिन् अस्ति अथवा बुद्धि अस्य अस्ति इति बुद्धिमान् यदि इफ अव्ययम् यदि उभौ अपि बोथ ऑफ यू सो उभौ प्रथमा विभक्ति द्विवचन उत्तरदाने कस्मिन् असमर्थौ उत्तरदाने असमर्थौ सो सप्तमी एकवचनम् उभौ अपि असमर्थौ सो बोथ आर वन टू वन रिलेटेड तर्हि देन इट इज अव्ययम् मम एव बुद्धिमत्ता बुद्धिमत् बुद्धिमत्ता the quality of having intelligence bhavatbhyam angikaranīya by you too so this is tritiya vibhakti dvivachana angikaranīya karaniya so aniyar pratyayantah angikaranīya this is in strilinga akaranta strilinga why buddhimatta buddhimatta is akaranta strilinga so अंगीकरणीय का अंगीकरणीय बुद्धिमत्ता अंगीकरणीय ताभ्याम अंगीकरणीय भवद्भ्याम अंगीकरणीय इति ओके नाउ लेट अस रीड द स्टोरी फर्दर अहम अस्यां स्पर्धायां मार्गं न निर्वहामि इति उक्त्वा वेंकटः ततः निर्गतः अहम ऐ अस्यां स्पर्धायां इन दिस स्पर्धा स स्पर्धा अकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग बोथ आर इन सप्तमी एकवचनम् अस्यां स्पर्धायां भागं न निर्वहामि I don't participate इति उक्त्वा having said like that वेंकटः ततः निर्गतः वेंकटः from there he went away निर्गतः so this is इक्तान्त कृदान्त शब्दः निर्गतः निर्गता निर्गतं like that in three linga it can be used pashyatu bhaktohu madhye bhavatohu it should be bhavatohu okay pashyatu you look here bhavatohu madhye venkataha eva buddhiman amongst you venkata only is intelligent maya api ajnatam prashnam aham prichheyam iti chintayan सः इतः निर्गतः एव मयापि अज्ञातं प्रश्नम् अहं पृच्छेयम् इति चिन्तयन् by me also मयापि अज्ञातं प्रश्नम् अहं पृच्छेयम् I shall ask an unknown question इति चिन्तयन् thinking so सः इतः निर्गतः एव so he says this मार्गे यः मिलितः तस्य नाम विमलदासः मयापि अज्ञातं प्रश्नं means the answer the question which I don't know means the answer here it is the meaning of the answer I may ask by me a question may be asked for which I don't know answer aham pricheyam I may ask इति चिन्तयन् thinking so सः इतः निर्गतः एव he went away from here प्रायः सः मम अभिप्रायं ज्ञातवान् इति उक्तवान् विमलदासः प्रायः probably मम अभिप्रायं my intention saha jnatavan. He came to know. Like that Vimaladasa told. Anantaram Shankaraha Venkatasya griham gatva pravrittam sarvam nivedya uktavan. Then Shankara went to Venkata's house. Shankaraha Venkatasya griham gatva. Having gone to the house of Venkata, pravrittam sarvam nivedya, informing all that happened, whatever told by Vimaladasa, he told, Vimaladasaha bhavantam eva buddhimantam manyate iti. Vimaladasa think you are only intelligent, like that. Tada Venkataha Ascharyam Prakatayan Nuktavan. Then Venkata, in a wondering way, he asked or told, Hey Mitra, O friend, Tatra Akasmat Udaravedana Utpanna. Suddenly I got some stomach pain there when he was asking that question at that time. Ataha aham madhye eva maunam tataha nirgataha. So because of that, in between the conversation, madhye maunam tataha nirgataha, I came out from there silently. Kintu yeteneva Vimaladasaha mam buddhimantam manyate kila iti. But by this itself, because I came out silently, Vimaladasaha mam buddhimantam manyate kila. He is thinking that I am intelligent, Yatadrishi udaravedana mam sarvada pidayati. This type of yatadrishi. So this is ikara on the strilinga. Udaravedana. So this is adjective of udaravedana. Yatadrishi udaravedana mam sarvada pidayati. This type of stomach pain always troubles me. Kintu varaki sa udaravedana. Varaki means it is a way of scolding, or it is a way of expression. That poor, we say, that poor boy, that poor chap, like that. That is the meaning of this varaki. Kintu varaki sa udaravedana samayena agacchati. But that poor stomach pain doesn't come in time. Samayena agacchati means doesn't come in time. Pashyatu bhavataha gamanataha kinchit purvam sa udaravedana mam yadi piditavati syat. Pashyatu, he is saying, look man, bhavataha gamanataha kinchit purvam. Before, so here who is telling, that Shankara is telling, okay, Yatadrishi udaravedana mam sarvada pidayati. Like that, the Shankar, the person who came to Venkata's house, is telling, Kintu, that poor stomach pain, or that idiot stomach pain, samayena agacchati. It doesn't come in time. Pashyatu, look here, bhavataha gamanataha kinchit purvam. Before your departure, at a short time before your departure, kinchit purvam means a little bit earlier. Sa udaravedana, the stomach pain which comes to me, that udaravedana, mam yadi piditavati syat. If it inflicted me, tarhi, then Vimaladasaha mameva buddhimantam achintayishyat iti. Tarhi, then Vimaladasaha, that person who met the en route, mameva, me only, buddhimantam achintayishyat. He might have thought, I am only the intelligent. Iti Shankaraha khedam prakatitavan. Like that, Shankara felt his sadness. Both people are having this stomach pain. But Shankara says, this stomach pain doesn't come in time. Like that. So it's a small and a nice story. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will meet you in some other new story. Take care. Bye-bye.